away. Your job's a joke, you broke, your love life's the away. It's like you're always stuck in second gear, when it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you 'cause you're there for me too.
Good morning, Jeremiah's Place. Today I'll be telling you about how to care for a cat. My cat's name is Smokey, and we adopted him 2 years ago. Unlike dogs, cats do not have a high need for human attention and can become angry when you try and pet them, although some like Smokey are okay with being cuddled. If your cat is sociable and comfortable with people, the cat is probably safe to be allowed outdoors, while unsocial, scaredy cats should remain indoors for their lives. Cats have a good sense of direction, so they will come home when they're ready. Cats spend 16 hours a day sleeping, so don't worry if your cat goes the whole day without doing anything. Cats need to be fed every day. Most cats are good about regulating their own food, but some need to be given small portions so that they do not become obese. While some dogs and cats do not get along like they do in cartoons, many dogs and cats, such as mine, get along perfectly well and enjoy playing together. Cats make a sound called purring when they are happy. It sounds something like this. Cats hiss when they are upset. If a cat hisses at you, just keep your distance from it as it wants to be left alone. Catnip is a special plant that you can give your cat to make them want to roll in it, play in it, and eventually zone out. Cats are by nature predators and will sometimes hunt birds and mice even though they don't need to. If they bring you their catch, as gross as it is because they are worried that you can't hunt for yourself, and are worried that you aren't eating enough. That's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and that you learned something new about cats. Goodbye!